guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be reviewing and applying to my face the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster Highlighting Contour Palette. Now they have two different options, one is matte and one is shimmer, and in today's video I am trying out for my first time the Shimmer Strobing palette, and it retails for $14.95 and has a bunch of different claims, which it is hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, dermatologist approved, clinically tested, oil-free, and cruelty-free. The main ingredients are talc and mica, and the directions are amazing. So we are going to talk about the packaging first. It's very chic, it's bronzy, it's cute. It comes with a brush, it has a full-size mirror. This brush is used for precisely getting into the contours of your face and maybe using it as a highlighter as well. Now you can look at the back of the actual packaging and it will give you tips on how to contour and highlight your face with the three different options. And I just want to go ahead and apply it now. This is the darkest shade in the palette. It is more of a reddish brown shade in my opinion. I am going to go in with a fluffy Japanese brush, which I feel is going to complement it because it is very pigmented, and go in with a super light hand, as you can see. And I'm just kind of going into the contours of my face and lightly just blending it out. It does grab onto the moisturized part of my face, so you do want to go in with little as possible and just build it up because it is very buildable, it's very pigmented, and it counts as a blush as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and go into the middle shade, which is like a champagne shimmery shade. It is perfect for a subtle glow in my opinion. I am going to go in with the same brush. As you can see, all that reddish brown shade is off the brush, so it does apply off completely from the brush. So this shade is very subtle, but we're going to go ahead and just go in on my cheekbones and see side of my face where the highlighter should be touching, and as you can see, it gives me a nice beautiful glow. It can be blinding, but also not in the sunlight or extreme light. It is very subtle. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the lightest shade, which is a very snowy kind of white, pure white shade. And again, a little goes a long way. And as you can see, I picked up a lot of product, but not seen on the tape or video. You can kind of tap it off and a lot will come off too. So again, light hand, and this is not in the sunlight, just to show you what it looks like in kind of not extreme light. And I am applying it in the inner corners of my eyes, the tip of my nose. I am going to use that brush to kind of do an extra highlight to my cheekbones, to the high points of my face. And it works very well. It's very soft and precise. And there we have it, guys. The whole Shimmer Strobing Physicians Formula Bronze Booster Highlighting Contour Palette applied to my face in actual sunlight and in other lighting that is not so harsh. And that was my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out. Here are some swatches, finger swatches that I did record as well. Again, they are super duper pigmented, they blend easily, they transfer well to the applied area, and it is great for kind of all skin types and tones, in my opinion. Hope it helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye guys!